Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Handelwal, this side. Today we will be discussing the top MCQ which are related to the business, finance and economic current affairs of 22 January 2022. So, this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So now question number 1. Who was appointed as new Director General of Industry Chamber Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Arun Chawla. So recently, Industry Chamber Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry named Arun Chawla as its new Director General. He was assumed charge with immediate effect. He joined Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry in 2011 and is currently the Deputy Secretary General of the chamber. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. So, FICCI was founded in year 1927. Its headquarters situated in New Delhi. His president name was Uday Shankar. Now tell me, what is the name of Secretary General of FICCI? Please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so now question number 2. Which bank collaborated with Lending Card to provide low-cost business loan of up to rupees 10 lakh to MSME? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Canara Bank. So recently, the Canara Bank has entered into a co-lending partnership with fintech company known as Lending Card. They have partnered to offer low-cost business loan to the MSME. The loan of up to rupees 10 lakh will be granted within the fast duration of the time. Apart from that, the loans will be provided with a fast turnaround time for approvals powered by the Lending Card. By the Lending Card 2GTR platform using Zero Touch technology. Do you remember the headquarter of Lending Card situated in Ahmedabad and the headquarter of Karnar Bank situated in Bangalore, and the tagline of the Karnar Bank is Together We Can. Okay, so now question number 3. Which organization collaborated with NPPL to launch Click Pay service to pay customer bills? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is MobiKwik. So recently, the MobiKwik partner with NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited. They have partnered to launch ClickPay service to pay the bill payment for its customer. Due to this, customer of MobiKwik will be able to pay their recurring bills by their mobile. ClickPay is based on the two-step authentication payment feature. The billers will generate a payment link within the message of the bill pay itself, and using the link, the customer can pay their required bill. Do you remember the bill payment procedure will be highly safe, secure, one. Okay. The headquarter of NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited situated in New Delhi. Okay. So now question number 4. Which Indian technology firm will pay rupees 2620 crores to purchase European firm named as Comtech Co IT? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Tech Mahindra. So recently the Tech Mahindra announced 100% acquisition of Comtech Co IT Limited for rupees 2,620 crores, a deal which includes earnouts and synergy-linked payouts. In addition, the company has also acquired 25% stake in two IT platforms, which are the part of the same founding groups as CTC for 20 million euro. Okay, so now question number 5. Who was appointed as chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, also known as NCLT? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Ashok Bhushan. So recently the center has appointed former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ashok Bhushan as the new chairperson of the NCLT for a period of 4 years or until he attains age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. He was a former Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. Apart from that, the NCLT was formed by the government under Section 410 of the Companies Act 2013 in year 2016 on the date of 1st of June. Okay, so now question number 6. Who collaborated with the National Payment Corporation of India to launch UPI AutoPay? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Reliance Jio. So recently the National Payment Corporation of India, also known as NPCI, and Reliance Jio have announced that UPI AutoPay has now been introduced for the telecom industry. Jio's integration with UPI AutoPay has made it the first player in the telecom industry to go with live with a unique e-mandate features that was launched by NPIC. Do you remember the headquarters of NPIC situated in Mumbai in Maharashtra? Apart from that, it was founded on year 2008. Now tell me, who is the MD and CEO of the National Payment Corporation of India? Please write your answer in the comment section. Now question number 7. Which corporation acquired a 54% investment in Adverb Technologies Private Limited, a robotics startup situated in Noida in UP? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Reliance Retail Ventures Limited. So recently the Reliance Retail Venture Limited has picked up a 54% stake in Adverb Technology Private Limited, which is a robotics startup based in Noida in UP. Okay, so now question number 8. Who was appointed as a Chief Managing Director of Air India? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Vikram Dev Dutt. So recently Vikram Dev Dutt has been appointed as a Chairman and Managing Director of Air India Limited. He has been appointed as a Air India Chief in the rank and paid the Additional Secretary, an order issued by the Personnel Minister. Apart from that, prior to this, he was the Principal Secretary in the Delhi government. Do you remember Air India was founded in year 1932 and its headquarters situated in New Delhi. Okay, so now question number 9. Flipkart introduced the FLNI program. What does the word I means in this context? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is innovation. So the e-commerce giant Flipkart has launched a new startup program. It has successfully launched and executed the Flipkart Leap program, and now after successful completion of the first program, the Flipkart Leap will be divided into two new programs, namely Flipkart Leap Ahead, also known as FLA, and the Flipkart Leap Innovation Network, also known as FLIN. Okay, so now question number 10. Who was appointed as a brand ambassador of the Bandhan Bank in Assam? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Zubeen Garg. So recently the Bandhan Bank has announced popular embassy and Bollywood singer Zubeen Garg as a brand ambassador of the bank in Assam. This association is a landmark one of the Bandhan Bank, as this is the first time ever that the bank has associated with the brand ambassador since its inspection 6 years. Do you remember the headquarters of Bandhan Bank situated in Kolkata in West Bengal? It is founded on year 2001 and the CEO and MD of Bandhan Bank is Chandra Shekhar Ghosh. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.